An Italian region is renowned throughout the world for its landscape, its architecture, and its music, particularly that of Giuseppe Verdi. But in the heart of the Emilia-Romagna, there's a very special kind of music in the air. And it's played to the rhythm of 8, 10, and 12 cylinders, because it's here that you'll find the Ferrari factory and test track. Ferrari's hometown, Maranello, is completely decked out in red and yellow. You can admire some of the company's fascinating models in the local museum, and you might even be lucky enough to bump into Michael Schumacher and company having lunch at Ferrari's favorite restaurant. We'll tell you where to track down the Ferrari legend in and around Maranello. Our first travel trip is Soliera, just north of Modena. Our journey to Emilia-Romagna is sweetened by a Mercedes S-Class. The Hotel Lancelotti in Soliera is typical for the region. It doesn't dazzle. We follow the tracks of the Scarlet legend to our second stop, Maranello, Ferrari's hometown, southwest of Modena. The obscure village of Maranello became world famous when Enzo Ferrari moved his company headquarters here from nearby Modena. Today, 2,000 workers build around 4,000 cars a year. Ferrari spokesman Simone Piatelli makes our dream come true. We swap the S-Class for a 550 Maranello and go for a little spin. The drive through this Ferrari-mad town wouldn't be half as much fun in a Mercedes. Our destination is the company museum. Since 1996,
Your host for